Do you like baking, but don't want to follow the hassle of following a recipe? Well, I do, and today I will be baking apple bread for the very first time without a recipe. Please enjoy. First, grab a plate, grab a bread, place an apple on the bread. There you have it, folks. Apple bread. Just kidding. Haha. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 215.5 repeating degrees Celsius for you non-Americans. Next, grab a bowl and add enough flour to just cover the bottom of the bowl. Next, we want to add some sugar. I like my bread sweet, but not too sweet. Add some powdered sugar. I also added brown sugar. This sugar is organic, so it must be healthy. Next, you want to add a spoon of baking powder and some baking soda and some salt for sodium. Get your favorite pair of chopsticks and mix the mixture until it is homogeneous. Mix, 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 mix. Take your apple juice. I used real apple juice blended from one real apple. It is all natural. Get every last drop. Add some milk. I use lactose-free milk, and I'm not even lactose intolerant. Add your eggs. Make sure your eggs don't roll away or fall into the homogeneous mixture. Take a stand mixer and begin mixing. Enjoy the sounds of the stand mixer. The consistency should be slightly thick and watery. Put your mixture into a well-oiled baking tray. Pop that bad boy into the oven and you can wait for maybe 20 to 30 minutes or until the bread gets big. Take the bread out. Put a chopstick in the bread to see if the bread is ready. As you can see, the chopstick is dry, so the bread is ready. Look at this beautiful creation. Look how easy it is to cut. Look how it plops right onto the cutting board. This is apple bread. I can't wait to try it. Oh my, that was very good. Thank you for watching me bake apple bread without a recipe.